Snuggle Babe. Do you think there's any more ice cream? I don't know, but we're gonna have to go check it out. Come on. Ooh, let me go check. There are no more. Hey, MC Swag, can we have some? No way, I got it first. Get your own. Even though there's no more, you're gonna have to wait till Mom gets some more. Ooh, let's, yeah, she's so mean. Let's go see if there's anything else that we can eat. Oh no, where do you go? I'm over here, little Snuggle Babe. Look what I found. Way better than ice cream. It's chocolate eggs with toys inside. Where'd you get that? I don't know, it's just sitting here. But we should eat it. I want this one. Oh, are you sure? Yeah, totally. It's chocolate. Wow, these Kinder Surprise eggs are sure huge. How are we gonna eat it all? I don't know, but we're gonna have to find out. I'm gonna open mine first. Okay, my little pies, let's go help little Court Champ open her Kinder Surprise egg for girls with surprise inside. Let's open this up. Oh my god. This is strange. I never really used to these ones. I'm used to the other ones. Oh my god. Okay, here. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a little octopus, but oh, I think we're missing something. Let's open this. I can open it. Oh my god, what is this? That looks delicious. But first, I will see if I can put the toy together. Oh, it's a little octopus. That's so cute. Here, little quite champion octopus. Oh, thank you. It's so cute. But I'm gonna eat the chocolate, okay? Okay. But I'm just gonna try it out because I never tasted these before. Let's try this white chocolate first. I think we just eat it like that. That is really sweet. Okay. I don't know what this is. I never see these inside. That's really good. It's like a cookie. Let's set this off to the side. And here, little Court Champ, have a Kinder Joy. Wow, this is way better than ice cream. And it comes with a toy. Okay, now let's help little Snuggle Babe open her Kinder Joy. This is super hard to open. I'm usually used to the Kinder Surprise except the Kinder Joy. Ooh, okay, here's the chocolate. Now let's see the toy. Wow. Oh. Okay. What is this? Let me see what this is. Here we assembled the ball. And I think it's super... Hey, Snuggle Babe! What are you doing? You already ate half of it! Oh, it's so good! It's way better than any old ice cream. Hey, what do you have there? I want some! I want some! There's nothing in here! And they come with toys. Can I have some, please? Can I play with the toys?
No, tomorrow. Hey, baby.
No, you didn't share ice cream with us, so you won't get any of this. You guys are so mean. Okay, for the octopus, you're supposed to doodle something in there, put it to the octopus, and wear it inside as a necklace. And there's no necklace or little pen or something to do with, so I guess that doesn't come with it. But it's super cute and glittery. Anyways, bye-bye, my little pies. So now, since these cuties are enjoying their chocolate and playing with their toys, we're gonna have to say bye-bye. Bye-bye, my little pies.